Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Audi A5 versus S4. We will explore their fundamental distinctions, helping you understand which model best suits your driving preferences. The A5 is known for its elegant design and comfortable ride, making it a great choice for daily driving. In contrast, the S4 elevates the driving experience with a more powerful engine and sport-tuned components, appealing to those who crave excitement behind the wheel. Let's dive into the specifics. When it comes to performance, these Audis offer distinct experiences. The A5 typically comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering around 268 horsepower. This provides a smooth and efficient ride. The S4, however, steps up with a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, pushing out 349 horsepower. This allows the S4 to achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.2 seconds, offering a much more exhilarating drive with its sport-tuned suspension and 8-speed automatic transmission. Inside, both the A5 and S4 showcase Audi's commitment to luxury and technology. You'll find well-crafted cabins with premium materials and sophisticated infotainment systems. Standard features typically include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a large touchscreen display. The S4 often distinguishes itself with sportier accents, such as diamond-stitched sport seats and a flat-bottomed steering wheel, emphasizing its performance-oriented nature. Both provide a comfortable and connected driving environment. Considering pricing and value, the Audi A5 generally starts at around $50,995, offering a blend of luxury and efficiency. The S4, with its enhanced performance, commands a higher starting price, typically beginning at $55,995. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize everyday luxury or a more dynamic driving experience. Both offer strong resale value. Also, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.